Escape of water is currently one of the biggest causes of loss in the insurance, the high net worth home and contents insurance market. There are various causes for it, one of which is escape of water from the substructure from the drains. We've had a number of claims which, dating back to 2007, there was a massive escape of water set of claims from flooding that came from into basements in London. And just recently, we've also had a very large sort of series of claims which were escape of water, or water runoff is the other definition that is used for water that's sort of come out of the drainage system, and quite frankly it's very, very unpleasant and can result in very large claims. Not only is it a large claim with requiring long periods of drying out, but it also requires very often the living space is damaged and therefore people have to move out and move into alternative accommodation. Having said that, I did actually once have a client who called me up having been had a home fire, and when I was talking to them, I could hear this funny noise in the background. It turned out there was a splashing noise, and I said, well, what is going on? And he told me that actually he was up to his knees in water. Not only he'd been fire damaged, his alternative accommodation was then flooded. So not a very pleasant experience, and not one we'd commend to people. And one thing that we can say about escape of water claims is that flooding is one of the biggest causes of upset to clients. It is a very emotional thing to lose the sort of things that people lose in a flood. So we very much work on the basis of trying to work with people to have remedial action. Some of the insurers that we work with have systems that are in place to cut down on the risk. Hive or LeakBot as alternative systems that can be deployed, which will give a warning if there is a flow of water going into the property that is unanticipated, or even just detecting leaks that are slow and haven't been seen. One of the things that happens with escape of water is that it can also be as a result of wear and tear. Now, under those circumstances, there is still coverage because the trace and access cover under the policy will actually pick up the need to dig up and find where that leak is happening. So it's not just the damage that is caused by the leak, but it's also the damage that is caused by going to find where the leak is that is covered under our policies. So if you have an escape of water, I'm very sorry to hear about it, but do get in touch. We'll get onto it very quickly.